Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 screen blinking problem. So you can try this method. Click on Start and search Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now here expand display adapter. Right click on your display adapter and update driver. First time select search automatically for driver. Click on OK. Exit and restart. If not work, so try second method. Same, search device manager, display adapter. Right click on graphic adapter and update driver, and this time you have to select this browse my computer for driver, and here select this second option. Let me pick from a list of available and select latest driver and select here your latest driver, then next. Now close it and restart your system. So this is the method you can try to resolve this problem. Comment this method work for you.